Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do a first impressions and review of Too Faced's new Pretty Rich collection. And I thought, since I'm already doing that, why not do a full face look using all Too Faced and nothing else except for brushes. Brushes are going to be other things. So yeah, let's get started. So for primer, of course, I'm going to be going in with Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. This primer is so good for being in like the winter time because my face gets so, not even dry, I still have oily skin, but it just doesn't feel right. And when I use a hydrating primer, it just makes my skin feel fresh and look fresh. So next for my foundation, I'm going to be going in with Born This Way, and this is in shade Warm Beige. And I'm just going to beauty blend that into my face. So next I'm going to go ahead and contour my face, and I'm going to be using Too Faced Born This Way Multi Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Mocha. Draw a couple lines. Then I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills 830 foundation brush. I really don't know what this brush is supposed to be used for, but I use it for foundation. I'm going to start at my chin. And of course, this line always turns out a little bit too harsh for me, so I'm going to go back in with my excess foundation on my sponge. Just make sure to blend that out. Now for concealer, I'm going to be using the same concealer, the Multi Use Sculpting Concealer, but this is in the shade Warm Beige. I'm just gonna get that underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, into my forehead, and my chin. Once again, I'm gonna blend that in using my beauty blender. I'm gonna be setting this using Too Faced. It's Bananas Setting Powder. And this is called Banana Cream. It smells so good, like those candy bananas. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills A7 brush. It's just a fluffy little brush. It's the brightening powder, so hopefully it helps out with these dark circles. I'm also gonna set on my eyelid just to prepare it for the shadow. Then I'm going to be using Too Faced Ethereal Setting Powder to set my entire face. I'm just going to be taking this on a big, huge, fluffy brush. So for my bronzer, I'm going to be going in with Too Faced Pineapple Paradise Strobing Bronzer. And I'm going to go in with the bronzing side. I'm just going to go in with this little Beige Trends brush. And I'm just going to go in with this Morphe S11 smudger brush, using that same bronzer, and just contour my nose. And for my blush, I'm going to be going in with Too Faced Fruit Cocktail Blush Duo. This is in Strawberry. I'm just going to be going in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills A19 brush. straight up smells like strawberries. Well, fake strawberries. So for my brows, I'm just going to lightly do them using Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pro Palette. And I'm going to be going in with Ebony. I don't have any Too Faced brows, unfortunately, so gotta work with what I got. So I'm just going to go back in with that concealer and line my brows. And I'm just going to be using this Beige Cosmetics 11. It's just this tiny little smudger or concealer brush, but it should work pretty good. So now that my eyelids are set, I'm going to go in with my Pretty Rich Diamond Light eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to be using everything on this top row here, starting with its designer and just sweeping that all over my lid. I'm going to go in with my Morphe S27 brush and just sweep that color all over my lid. All the way up to your brow bone. So next I'm going to go into my crease using Fancy That, just deepening it up on my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH36 brush. I'm also going to blend this into my outer corner, my outer V. And then on the same brush, lightly going in with Oh That's Rich. Just a little bit on the outer V. Blend it up. So now I'm just going to go in with Filthy Rich. And I'm going to apply that on the last half of my eyelid. Or the last like 3/4 of my eyelid. I'm going to go in with my finger. And then taking that brush and just blending it out. And going in with Diamonds for Breakfast, just on the inner lid. And I'm actually going to be taking this on this little Sigma E56 shader brush. I lied, I'm just going to take it on my finger, that's way too difficult. And just blend that right into Filthy Rich. And I'm just gonna go back in with that shader brush just to create a line here. So that it kind of looks like a cut crease. Going back in with that brush. So now I'm going to take my little Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH39 pencil brush and go under my eyes with Oh That's Rich. And then cleaning that off and also blending that out with Fancy That. Now for eyeliner, I'm going to be going in with Too Faced Sketchmarker in black. Just says black liquid art liner. I'm just going to do a wing. So for lashes today, I'm going to be going in with Luxy Lash in Damn Gina. I'm just going to quickly go over the eyeliner just to fix it. So now, of course, for my mascara, I'm going to be using Better Than Sex. Alright, so I want to use these highlighters, but they're all kind of pink or blue. I want to use something a little bit less pink. So I'm going to go back in with my Strobing bronzer. And I'm going to go in with the highlighting side. Taking that on my Too Faced highlighting brush. That's better. Now for my inner corner and my brow bone, I'm going to be going in with the Sigma Inner Corner E46 brush. There we go. And then also going over my brow bone with this. I'm going to use my finger for the tip of my nose. And this brush for the bridge. And then my cupid bow. So now I'm just going to hit the lips using Too Faced Raisin the Roof High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss. I'm first going to just outline my lips using MAC's lip liner in Whirl. Just gonna balm these up first. And in with the lip gloss. I'm really excited for this. And I'm just going to set this all using Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. And this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Let me know your guys' thoughts on this look or any questions you have below in the comments. And let me know if you guys like this whole using one brand thing. Anyway, thank you guys again for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.